Hi, I'm Dr. Rajani. Do you want to hear about PDO threads, the kind that we place in the face to lift and build collagen, but that can be injected as a liquid? A lot of people don't know that you can get a liquid thread. What's that all about? Today's video, watch it now. So PDO threads are best known just that. It's a thread that you can place smooth, coil or twist type, or those with barbs, little notches, or even molds that you can, like molded threads that you can use to lift the face because they hook onto the tissue and lift. Someone asked me, hey, what are they doing in other countries with threads? What's the latest and greatest? Everyone wants to hear about this kind of stuff. Well, one of the things is threads that you can inject as a liquid, like Sculptra, like people are using hyper-diluted radius. So these are considered biostimulators. That's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to show you them mixed up to give you the concept of what it's all about. If you like these videos, they're innovative, they teach you about aesthetics, then definitely like the video below. Also subscribe so you get all our updated videos. And don't forget, click the bell. That puts you on notification for all the new videos coming. And if you like these in PDO threads, I have playlists on everything you can watch on the YouTube channel. PDO liquid. So what is it? We know Sculptra. And we know hyperdiluted radius. Sculptra is the one that most people know because we mix it with a water. Other fillers like Restylane and Jeuveau are injected like gels for contouring. But where we miss the boat is, okay, we have a gel filler, we're injecting cheeks, great. Jaw lines, great. Lips, good. Now, if you think about it, we can make people look unusual this way. Why? We miss the temples, we miss the preauricular area, and we miss tightening the skin. So we're trying to lift with gel fillers, which are great, which contour, especially great in younger people. But as we age, it's collagen loss that we're getting. And Sculptra's PLLA, lots of videos on that. Hyperdiluted radius, same thing, we know about that. Calcium hydroxylapatite, that's a biostimulator. But polydioxanone, PDO, is the resorbable threads. Well, it also comes in these little balls which turn into powder. I'm going to show you here how they're mixed up. Just like in a Sculptra vial, you put your water in, or normal saline so it doesn't sting. You can put a little bit of lidocaine and you shake it up. And you end up with a fluid that's a little cloudy because it contains chopped up little bits of PDO. The same thing that's proven and shows on the face through threads and barb threads, molded and twist that build collagen around these threads. But why not inject it? A lot of people don't know that this actually does exist. You inject it as a collagen stimulator, and the benefit of these biostimulators, which are, in my opinion, underutilized, are that they thicken the dermis, they build collagen, and they stimulate someone's own collagen to get a natural look. When you look at, a lot of people come into my clinic and they say, hey, I want to look younger, what would you do? And you want to grab a boat of collagen and give it to them. And that's why people take oral supplements to see if they work. The bead has gone away and their collagen exists, lives, and looks natural. PDO can be used as a biostimulator. I wanted to do this quick video. It's nothing that we do in the United States or that most people do. It's not commonplace. But biostimulators are up and coming, used around the world. Don't forget about them. If you're only using gel fillers, it's like going to build a house and you come with your hammer. Well, no. You need a table saw. You need a pneumatic hammer, because it would take you ever to frame a house. If someone comes at you with one tool, you're going to send them home. You want all the tools to build collagen, to lift, to give contour, to slow muscle movement down, and to give a natural look. That's the way to get it. So if you like this video, of course, click like. I have other videos on collagen building you might want to watch. I'll put them on the end screen. Subscribe, join us on Instagram, and thanks for joining me today, because you're keeping your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.